you and then laugh for another beautiful performance. Up next on the agenda, we have another special guest, Professor William Alfred from Harvard University.
Thank you. I'm pleased to follow my friend and colleague, Professor Henry Steiner. We have had the privilege of knowing Lobsang since he first came to Harvard as a student in the 1990s, middle 1990s, and to see the ways in which he has blossomed and grown and taken such full advantage of all opportunities at our school. But even as he has grown and developed so wonderfully, there are so many constants to Lobsang's character, his decency, his openness, his compassion, the ways in which all these years he reached out with great efforts to embrace people of different opinions, to get to know and understand Chinese scholars. As he goes ahead to the future with these awesome responsibilities, we wish him all the best. It would be hard to think of someone better skilled and better equipped in character to deal with all these. We wish him and his wife and his daughter and the community as a whole our best. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Professor. 이전에 보선 그리치드 톱에 소소수와 선암시장 안에 갈롭소신한교.
바디rum시 해제카치비 나는 미우티 야와 부사추기 아니 가서 고 타투리시네 맞죠 배 마음 바가 멍소르리 용답 타시미가 모네스 아마 아주 배 유미지기 아니 소소 셈베가 대화이 모네가 아니 칼렌 트리파 위드 노이바 시마레스 해시나 아니 칼스고레 참제 로사 생각라 경험 아니 칼렌 트리파 툰시비 모네가 아니 다시 들으시겠어 차지가 아니 공화라 그즈 수제다 저쪽 공평연비 맨디시티스 Koma ngarong di Boston mama conditions kasi ngarong Kalon Tripa women Lobsang sangay Jesu Sheikh agency to kartu besena ngarong ina la ta Lobsang sangay jewa kare ina ta mukandi ime Jesu jatu la hakwe kala khobshidadis yena ngarong sen ina la kron la ichi Jesu jatu shina maomba be mamki uchi tende yonsari sansa REWA shin dus mama conditions chine ine ane kron gi ani 마음바가 사치도 아니 배우마라 자신이 없이 두고 사는 내가 소소 이치예스 안 달래
Next, I would like to request Sir John Watt to come up on the stage and speak a few words.
So this is a wonderful extended family, and what impresses me about Lobsang, as has been mentioned here before, is that he is a new generation of Tibetan leaders who have been educated all over the world and have a very sophisticated understanding of Tibet's place in the world today. I think this is obviously why he was elected to be Prime Minister. And it represents a new age in which Tibet can relate in different ways than in the past to the problems it faces today, particularly the problem of dealing with China. Now, you know, when he was elected to be Prime Minister, the Chinese press and leadership dismissed him as a terrorist. But I think that they found out pretty quickly that characterization was simply not going to fly with any serious person. So now I understand that they've hired somebody to do some research on Lobsang. And what I want to say is there are a lot of people in this room who would be only too glad to meet with this researcher. We have a lot of information about Lobsang, which we would be very, very happy to share with the leadership of the Chinese government. And I'm hopeful that next year, when there is a change of leadership in Beijing, that we will be able to see a new dialogue taking place between Chinese and Tibetan leaders. And if that happens, it'll be in many ways because of the tremendous work that Lobsang has already done in building dialogue between at least Chinese intellectual leadership and leaders in Tibet. So I'm very hopeful. I'm actually quite bullish about the prospects that lie ahead. With Lobsang as Prime Minister, I want to congratulate him and wish him all the best. Thank you.
대체라 세르치 교사를 붙여 주네 가부 소신하기로.
멘티 쉬어야 다 너무 쉬어면 년한테 드립니다. 대변인께 kalon tripa sarva Lobsang sangay tuwe daga kintu namada miwa samari na inya samala sambita rashidil shuya is dare ine me shuya dhambuti khare ore sananda dare dagami ni Lobsang sangay ina da ngara de mi jaga tenju gi jizo na lo ya ta de luju so so chede inda mi salo chungle ya da e pasawri e positive gi da hinari ina jingga jinggi da la de tuen da kinju gi shin chata yubashi ta tande de mi ngara de tenju gi ni jizo da kalon tripa la demde chumodela pasawri ngara ngane ina sambita rashidil shuya is chikti shuya ini today in the that Shandal can share scheme in the Bugu share on a career or a center. Tangela me Kalon Tripa Lobsang sangay Tommy Hasora to Mundu Shida Ali Shugudam Mushi them Chevanala Ponata Kalon Nanyang Misushi Java Ponada Hasora Kalon Nanga Social Karinang Misala Tame Corona. Today in the time, Mushada, the agenda gave session about most of Tungi Shigori. Today in the Dangarep, Stamjuna, Harrier Senna, that Tadamos, Tinga, Patan, Hazora, Pigi, Mimangias, Hazora, and Chiata, the Nishama of Mushi, Chale, go to Gurwa. Today in the time, Mushi, Chale, and the Tatam Sarafin, the Sundu Tavajan, Uturis, Telesumudoa. Today in the China and Naloli, the Tangaremi. Lobsang sangay in the Tingali, for an Sadangajina, and she told me, Jaurumajan, Gongshi, the Tumaji. And then you to do when the Drumshi or the market chicken tony, and when I pass over China 9 Naya, or I give one soon Saturday. Tana chicken Naya and Aram the EG. Then they in the Mutu, the Tapana China and Nalo, then the Gangan chess cigarettes and then they in the China around the Tenju Jizo. Mambuchi Yango or the Tungu or the social law, the Taju Chiata, Narada never put a tennis charger, in Yena, meaning around the Jetting Gongdu, and the Tanashing Chidu hands of the Mambuchi and the Tungu or what in the Indu, Lobsang sangay the Koran Gongshi, Thailand and the Naya Gongshi unit, Cham Mujiga Tungu in the Tatizuna in the Karina Hasore. Hazard, Tamar Bigger to now go unit, carrying it to Sabsamana Tadabe, Tata Libyan around half of which and one. I Tagaran Chingi, the Jarmajama Chipsy, and did you know? Today in the Nakaji, the half woman or Tamushuna. Tadabodan around the Tenju Jizo, Tenju, Mango Yard, and Nandiki and Mediterranean. So the one at an Jarum, which is Tuji Gradinda, the virtue that resumed the Sugar Madove. Shangara meeting mix age in the Bunny Tenju Shadar Megano Cheju mix age Lazeda, Anzology, Mirin Medal, Sukucha, which is Mandotin Kayawa, Amushan and reaching the Shingmedo, and about Chidamazon and Success and all Sukted. Tataneg and Janda, you know what I'm talking about, can't just give me the job. Then I want to cut to Chior. Today, you don't want to best society, Inji Chani and Inji Tajaton and Piju Chisamamboya. Today in the Demi Japan and the Junju Chat and a Gaba Pamaja, and a Nalo and Martha on the Children was on the success, anything you should take with the air, with the bed, with the man, which I love to go to the tongue, you die in the Nadu, not Changova. Or today in the Tatin, beyond the Tamala, that they be Kalon Tripa Lobsang sangay, they mean that Tungi Shigi in the Tamala, Chawa to Ginara, Tito, Tangaramana, when the Melon Gagi, Paranga in the Minde, Hassan. Kalon Tripa 나가는 이런 거는 도움이 렌트게 리뷰 영화 찍다 하는 거는 야오로 지금 공시도 tumba premier 야와도 tumba 지금 거는 내게 리뷰 영화 찍다 라도 주는 거는 호랑이 뒤 나로리나 지 premier 대다 세트 가지 다음에 대대 요금에는 거는 전주 지도도 야오로 지금 소원나 신지 거는
교사는 부치 sabki kalop제어들 닝타고 투나 쉐이 대제네 카네티겐네 텐슬 우도라게 루시지 그럼 슈교. After this we have Tenzin Udora from Connecticut to perform a song. Tenzin Udora 투지나 대제네 교족임대 업체수와 공호 작업편소평가란에 소시시단교.
아니 근데 미리나마 상월로야 저시들이 세제 쉬어이 안디 돌아야 들이 다시 베게 등기님들이야 학바드베 저시들이 쉬고야 지기요 니가이스나 공사교육 탐지 캠페 투지의시 제가 틀릴 때에 망주 모기 아니 저기 투림 레지 천배 참말로 댐지 고급지 소리나가 인자 근데 이들 때문에 아주 집에 내도 토려야 토지시 창매 투구 아다 시시기 요리라 시라가 야고리 더도 이내 오늘 전에 라를 다니 집에 지시자전에 쓰기요 말이 라다 르이 조고도 란치기로 쇼라야 집에 벨을 마다가 체제 집에 후다바다 티낭전에 락달이야 꾸지다 창매 숙자로지 맞아 급제로 락자 소사로 때워들 락드네야 소위 우요리 마다베 아니 쉔지 저이네 간담네 야래도 전에 아니 박야로 체대 아니 내가 말하기 전에 쇼를 가다 체대는 야구민도 단다 대교차 조주를 붙이기 겹치는 붙이기 아니 백갈로 세시셔로 나서 근데 인자 땅아 통해다나 양도로 쇼네 근데 인도 전에 아니 야외 신호고 고지샤베 틀로 봐도 땜버쇼 맞아 부미만 튼지디 공부지구 내 시시 남네 그 봐도리야 내가 도지기 영어쇼 세제티 다마 그다시 저기 회자로 호찬나 서로를 그리기에
Respected Dr. Lobsang Sangayla, we are extremely happy to know that you have won the election for Kalon Tripa. Accept our hardest congratulations on your glorious success. You know you are the right...
Thank you,
We have another special guest, the former president of Ecuador, Jamil Mahmoud.
Dear friends, like 16 years ago, Lobsang decided to come to Cambridge, Massachusetts, and has been living here with his beautiful family for all that time. Very recently, we had a chance to meet each other, became very good friends, and have done some things together since then. I always have been an admirer of His Holiness the Dalai Lama. I have been inspired by his books. I have tried to put into practice his teachings. And last September, we had the opportunity to visit Dharamsala to attend the 3 days teachings of His Holiness about the Heart Sutra. We shared with Lobsang all those days. I had this great opportunity of getting in touch with the Tibetan culture in Dharamsala, and the experience was so important for all of us, the group that we went there, that we are planning to visit your country again, to go by the end of this year